You a question. If I told you that $10 a day could keep you broke forever, would you believe me? Because most people think the reason they're broke is because they don't make enough money. But the truth is, a lot of people are broke because of tiny spending habits they don't even notice. And you want to know the crazy part? Most of them cost around $10 or less. You ever noticed how easy it is to spend a couple bucks, $10 here or there? It's like it doesn't even feel like real money, you know, because we're always told, or we think this way, we're like, it's only $10, you know, who cares? So what happens? We go to Starbucks, we buy a $6-7 coffee, $7, boom. Oh, you know what? But now I'm hungry, so guess what? I'm gonna buy a sandwich because I want to treat myself today. So now 7 turns into 12. The whole time you're telling yourself it's only $10. I deserve it. And honestly, I get it because I fall in there. Life is stressful. So if we do some quick math right now, $10 a day multiplied by 365, which is 365 days, that's $3,650 a year. Now imagine doing that for 10 years straight. Just add another zero to the end. $36,500. Let that sink in. That's literally a down payment on a house or buying a nice car cash or a small investment portfolio. Isn't that crazy? But instead we drink it, we eat it, or we DoorDash it, you know? Goes down the drain. Now that I'm talking about DoorDash, I think DoorDash has actually ruined people's finances for the worst, because back in the day, if you wanted food, you had to actually get out of your house and go get it. You know, now you can be sitting in your couch, you know, watching Netflix. Heck, you're not even wearing pants, and suddenly you're like, you know what? You know what would be nice right now? Some wings, some pizza. Guess what? You pop out the DoorDash app and you order it. And then 20 minutes later, a stranger shows up at your front door with your food. I get it, it's convenient, yes it is. But it's not financially responsible. Because just that $12 meal just turned into $28. They upsell you on everything. You gotta pay the driver that drove from the food joint to your house. It doesn't make sense at all. I think being broke comes from big bad decisions, like buying a Lamborghini, you know, something flashy. But most people aren't even buying Lamborghinis. They're buying Starbucks, DoorDash. They buy random stuff on Amazon. They go to the 7-Eleven and they buy themselves a nice energy drink and a snack, you know. It's all the little stuff, and every single purchase feels harmless, you know. But if you add it all together, you put it all together, it's slowly draining your bank account. Amazon might be the most dangerous app ever created for the new generation. Because it doesn't even feel like paying on spending money. You know, you're just like a click away of buying something. They make it so easy, and that's why they're a very good company. They're very profitable, and because of that, you know, we like to order little things on there, you know, and half of the time we don't even remember what it was, you know. And it's those smaller orders that we make, you know. It's like your brain forgets about them. That's why we don't remember. So the solution here would be something simple you can try for at least a week, you know. Just track every dollar you spend, you know, like see how much you're spending in coffee, how much you're spending on snacks, how much you're buying on Amazon, and I promise you, by the end of that week, you're gonna notice a few $10 leaks here and there. And once you see them, and you can decide which ones are worth it and which ones are just bad habits. You're gonna be able to, once you see them, you're gonna be able to set them off to the side, or actually stop buying these things and improving your finances that way. And look, I get it. $10 a day isn't gonna ruin your life overnight. But over the years, long term, we're talking about long term, it can quietly steal tens of thousands of dollars from you. And I gave you guys a number, $36,500 over 10 years. And the crazy part is that most people never even notice it's happening, you know. So next time you're about to spend money and you say it's only $10, just remember, that's how it actually starts. So that's gonna be it for today's video. If you liked the video, give me a like. Consider subscribing. I'm always driving around and filming these videos for you guys. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.